If you're working on a nice woodworking project, you might run into the problem of wood splitting. And that's especially true if you're working with pallet wood, and if you don't drill a few holes first. With the small pilot bit I'm showing you right now, I'll quickly show you how easily avoid this. First, we're going to start by getting the right measurement. Generally, you just need to use the same thickness as the wood itself. As you can see, you can get it in a variety of different sizes, ranging from small to large, and you can decide which one is best suited for your needs based on the type and quality of the wood you have available. After carefully finding the right thickness that matches your requirements, all you have to do is simply screw it back in place securely. Put it in your drill. And note that you don't need to put too much power into it. And remember that to drill a pilot hole, you need to choose a bit that has the same diameter as the screws you're going to use. And as you can see here, I'm using a bit that has a chamfer, which helps me add a beveled recess to the hole. This way, the head of the screw can fit in quite easily.